Most beginners lost their money in the market not because market are rigged. It's usually because of common mistakes. In this video, I will break down the real reasons most beginners fail in the market. How can avoid making the same mistakes? Let's get started. First is your unrealistic expectations. One of the biggest mistake beginners do is setting unrealistic expectations. People come into the trading and thinking it is a quick way to double their money, then quit the job and get rich quick. Social media and flashy ad make it look like everyone is making money through trading. But here is the truth. Trading is not a lottery ticket, it is a skill and it requires time to learn this skill. For example, many traders put 10 to 20,000 into their account and try to make it double in a week. In reality, skilled traders might aim for 2 to 3% monthly on their capital. If you expect fast money, then you will take unnecessary risk, and the mindset should be learn first, profit later. The second big reason is lack of education. You need to understand the basics. Many beginners don't take time to understand the basic, how market works, what is risk management, even difference between trading and investing. They simply jump in and start taking the trades. Their one trade can wipe out their account. A simple foundation to understand charts, risk reward and psychology, which includes fear, greed and emotions, can save your years of mistakes. The third reason is ignoring risk management. Many beginners focus on how much they can make when they win and they do not think of losing the trade. They risk their entire capital or the account onto one trade or keep averaging their losing position. Even if you go with 10% of your capital in one trade, you will lose your entire capital in few trades. Whereas professional only take 1 to 2% of the capital risk in each trade. Professional traders don't avoid their losses, they only control their risk. Here are some basic rules. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital into single trade. Always use stop loss and think of risk first, then profit second. This will make you survive for long term in the market. The fourth reason is emotional trading. Fear and greed are two killers in the trading. Fear makes you close good trade too early or hesitate to enter in the right one. Greed makes you overtrade when you are winning. For example, after losing 5,000, many traders double their position in the next trade to win it back. That usually makes the loss even bigger. Many traders fall into this revenge trade psychology. After a loss, they jump in to get that money back and end up digging bigger hole. Professional traders follow their plan, whereas beginner traders follow their emotions. And the final reason most traders fail because they don't have a clear plan. They enter trade randomly based on some tips, sometimes based on some news, or sometimes the stock may look cheap. Just keep in mind, without a system or set of rules, every decision is emotional in trading. It is normal to start with this way, but the key is moving towards a simple plan. Like when to enter, when to exit, how much you are willing to lose. Trading without rules is like playing chess without knowing the rules. You will always lose. If you can avoid these 5 mistakes, you will automatically ahead of 90% of the trader. Remember, trading is not about being lucky, it's about being disciplined, patient and consistent. If you want to succeed, then start small, focus on learning and treat trading like a skill. Avoiding beginner mistake is the big step forward. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more trading insights. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.